Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add tags on Asana. So first we're going to log into our Asana account. Then next we're going to select the task we want. Then once we're here, all we have to do is select Tab plus T on our keyboard. So as you can see, the tag has been added. So you guys can write anything you want to add the tags. Then click on Create Tag. Then you guys could also select the color. Same again. We're going to click on Create Tag. Then select the color as well. So when you go back and come again, you can see the tags. So all you have to do is click on Tab plus T on your keyboard. That's how you do it. It's a very simple step. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.